Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer to Trezor Wallet Easy Guide. First, install Trezor Suite and connect your device via USB or Bluetooth. Then create or restore a wallet using your recovery seed and set a strong PIN for security. Next, update firmware if prompted, verify device labels, and prepare the sending address. Finally, confirm transactions on the device screen and monitor progress in Trezor Suite. Start by unboxing and connecting your Trezor device, then open Trezor Suite on your computer or mobile and follow on-screen prompts to initialize. Choose Create New Wallet or Recover using your existing 24-word seed, write recovery words on the provided card, and never store them digitally. Set a strong PIN, enable passphrase if desired, and confirm the device shows the correct orientation before proceeding to transfers. Keep your workspace private. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, seamless scheduling, and strong suction that saves time while you manage crypto. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider this tidy help when handling valuable assets. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Open the account in Trezor Suite that will receive funds, then copy the receiving address exactly from the device display to avoid address spoofing. On the sending platform, paste the address, send a small test amount first, and confirm the transaction appears in Trezor Suite. Once confirmed, send the full amount, double-check fees and network choice, and always verify the destination on your Trezor device before final approval. Stay calm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.